Here at DeLuca Toyota, we are a one-stop shop. We do every single service that you need for your vehicle here, and we do service all makes and all models. We offer cabin filters, engine air filters, tires, brakes, batteries, wipers, of course. We do feature every month different specials on those. Our core tires are Generals, Dunlops, and Michelins. All of our tires come with road hazard coverage. We do price match local competitors' coupons on tires and quotes on tires. We offer a lifetime battery, which means that once you purchase that lifetime battery, you keep coming back here when your battery is no longer good, and we will swap it out at no charge for the lifetime of that battery in that vehicle.
We're standing in our main shop where all of our advanced technicians do the repair work and the maintenance work. Probably more than half of these guys actually started off in our entry-level department, and they have gone through all the factory training, and they've gone through the automotive standard testing and worked their way up to the master status. We now have, I believe it's 5 master technicians that started off in an express maintenance department here with the dealership and have worked their way all the way up. And I think that kind of shows their character and their dedication to the brand and their pride in what they do. And I would feel comfortable knowing that someone that has taken that much pride in their career path, that I feel safe trusting them working on my vehicle.
Basically, working at this dealership, whatever we need, we get. If there's something new that comes out, and it makes our job easier, faster, and better, we get it, plain and simple. But it helps us greatly as far as technicians go. Being efficient and fixing it right the first time, of course, is first and foremost, but having speed on top of it, because everybody's in a hurry. Everybody's in a hurry, so we pride ourselves in trying to fix it right the first time and get it out as fast as possible.